Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So today's video will be a math quiz. So the way this quiz works is there are 10 math related questions, some of them easier and some of them a little bit more challenging, and I will give you 4 options for each question, and then if you get it right you'll gain 1 point. So comment down below how many points you got, as well as what were your answers to all of the questions. Okay, so I think that is all. Also, if you have some ideas for future videos you'd like to see, please comment those down below. And yeah, that's all. Let's get started. So the first question asks, so we have a triangle over here. We have angle A, then this angle that we know is of 60 degrees, and this angle that we know is of 40 degrees. First question asks us, what is the value of angle A? So looking at this triangle, you have to calculate the value of this angle right here. And we have 4 different options. Option A is 90 degrees. Option B is 100 degrees, option C is 80 degrees, and option D is 70 degrees. I'm going to let you take a look at the question to see if you can solve this first question. What is the value of this angle right here? Is it 90 degrees, 100 degrees, 80 degrees, or 70 degrees? This one right here is 60, and this one right here is 40. What is your guess for this first question? A, B, C, or D? Do you have your answer locked in? Okay, so I'm going to reveal the answer. Correct answer is answer C, 80 degrees. Let's take a look why. Okay, let's take a look why. So, it is a rule that the 3 angles inside of a triangle always add up to 180 degrees. We already knew the values of these 2 angles, so if we subtract these values out of 180, we're going to get 80 degrees. So that's why C is the correct answer. Okay, good job. Did you get this one right? Let's move on to question number 2. And question 2 asks, what is the derivative of fx equals 0? So the derivative, what is the derivative of fx equals 0? Again, we have 4 options. Is it A, 0? Is it B, x? Is it C, 5? Or is it D, 1? The derivative of fx equals 0. Fx equals 5. What is the derivative of fx equals 5? 0, x, 5, or 1? What is your guess? Derivative of fx equals 0. I'm going to give you some time to think of the answer. And I'm sorry, today my voice is a little bit raspier than usual. I'm not sure why. But yeah, you can take a look at question 2 and let me know what answer are you locking in. 0, x, 5, or 1? Derivative of fx equals 5. Okay, so we check. So the answer is answer A, 0. 0 is the correct answer. Did you get this one right? Okay, let's move on to question number 3. And question 3 asks, what is 5% of 5,000? Again, we have 4 options. For option A, we have 500. For option B, we have 750. For option C, we have 50. For option D, we have 250. So what is your guess? What is 5% of 5,000? Is it A, B, C, or D? What is your guess? Is it 500, 750, 50, or 250? 5% of 5,000. Okay, are you going to lock in your answer? Okay, I'm going to reveal the answer in 3, 2, 1. And the correct answer is option D, 250. Okay, good job. Did you get this one right? Okay, let's move on to the next question. Question number 4. And for question number 4, we have again a triangle. And we know the length of 2 sides of the triangle. So we know that side A equals 3 units of length. Side B equals 4 units of length. And we want to know the length of side C. So, again, we have 4 different options. Do you think it's A, 8, B, 7, C, 4, or D, 5? What is the length of this side right here in black? Again, we know that this side in blue is 3 equals 3 units of length. This side in red equals 4. And what is the length of this side in black? Is it 8? Is it 7? Is it 4? Or is it 5? What is your guess? I'm going to give you some time to think. Is it A, 8, B, 7, C, 4, or D, 5? What is the value of C? Okay, you're going to lock in your answer. Let's check what the correct answer is. So, we're going to see how this is done step by step. So, okay, I forgot to add here, but according to the Pythagorean theorem, we know that a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So, this side squared plus this side squared equals this side squared. So we know that c squared will equal 3 squared, which is the length of side A, plus 4 squared, which is the length of 4 is the length of side B, and then squared. So we know that c squared equals 9 plus 16. So we know that c squared equals 25. Therefore, we know that c equals the square root of 25. So c equals 5. So the correct answer for question number 4 is option D, 5. c equals 5 units of length. Okay, good job. Did you get this one right? So the next question is another derivative, and question 5 is, or asks, what is the derivative of x squared? So x squared. Where is the derivative of x squared? So we have 4 options again. Which one do you think is the correct one? So option A, x to the power of 1. Option B, 2. Option C, 2x. Option D, x to the power of 3. So the derivative of x to the power of 2. I'll give you some time to take a look at the question and give me an answer. Derivative of x to the power of 2. So which one do you think is the correct answer? Is it A, x to the power of 1? Is it B, 2? Is it C, 2x? Or is it D, x to the power of 3? What is your guess? Okay, are you going to lock in your answer? Derivative of x to the power of 2. Okay, so I'm going to reveal the answer in 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C, 2x. So 2x is the derivative of x to the power of 2. Okay, good job. Did you get this one right? Let's move on to the next question, which is question number 6. And this question asks, in a right-angled triangle, one angle is always, so we have to complete this sentence. So in a right-angled triangle, one angle is always, is it A, 45 degrees? Is it B, 95 degrees? Is it C, 50 degrees? Or is it D, 90 degrees in a right-angled triangle? So we always have a side or an angle that is equal to one of these values right here. Which one is it? 45, 95, 50, or 90? What is your guess for question 6? A, B, C, or D? In a right-angled triangle, okay, should we reveal the answer? The answer is option D, 90 degrees. Okay, good job. Did you get this one right? Now let's move on to question number 7. So, question 7 asks, the power rule states that the derivative of x to the power of n is. So this is the power rule, a rule about derivatives. We have 4 options. So when we have x equal to n being any natural number, the derivative of this x equals to n will be, what is this formula? So is it A, n times x to the power of n? Is it B, n times x to the power of n minus 1? Is it C, n times x to the power of n plus 1? Or is it D, x times n to the power of, x to the power of n plus 1? So is it A, B, C, or D? times x to the power of n, that's A. N times x to the power of n minus 1, that's B. N times x to the power of n plus 1, that's option C. Or x to the power of n plus 1, that's option D. What is your guess? A, B, C, or D? The power rule for derivatives. What would be the derivative of this expression, n being any natural number? Do you have a guess? Is it A, B, C, or D? What do you think? Okay, let's take a look at the answer. Can I look in your answer? Okay, so the correct answer is option B, n times x to the power of n minus 1. Good job, did you get this one right? Let's move on to the next set of questions. Okay, so question number 8. The area of a circle is given by, so we have 4 options. So which of these gives the area of a circle? Is it option A, pi times radius squared? Is it option B, 2 times pi times radius? Is it option C, pi times diameter? Or is it option D, 1/2 times pi times radius squared? So, A, B, C, or D? Which one gives the area of a circle? PR squared, 2PR, PD, P, pi r squared, 2 pi r, pi d, 1/2 times pi times the radius squared. What is your guess for question number 8? Going to give you some time to think. Is it A, B, C, or D? Okay, let's take a look at the answer. I'm going to reveal it. And the formula for the area of a circle is given by option A, so pi times the radius squared. Good job, did you get this one right? Moving on to question 9. What is the probability of flipping a fair coin and landing on heads? So if we flip a fair coin, what is the chance that it lands on heads? Is it 1/4? Is it 1/2? Is it 3/4? Or is it 1? What is your guess? If we flip a coin, what are the odds that it lands on heads? 1/4, 1/2, 3/4, or 1? What is your guess for question 9? Okay, let's take a look. The answer is option B, 1/2, so there's a 50% chance that it lands on heads. Good job, did you get this one right? Let's move on to the final question of today's quiz, which asks, what is the most accurate value of pi? So we know that pi has many decimals, but I would like you to tell me which one of these four options is the one closest to the actual value of pi. So option A, 3.1416. Option B, 3.141592. Option C, 3.141697. Or option D, 3.141585. Which of these values is the closest one, the most accurate? Is it A? Is it B? Is it C or is it D? What is your guess? The closest one, the most accurate to pi. A, B, C, or D? Should we take a look at the answer? Are you going to lock in your answer? Great, so the correct answer is B, so 3.141592. Okay, good job. Did you get this one right? So, how many points did you get? Please comment down below how many points you got, as well as all of your answers, all of these questions. So this was everything for today's quiz. I really hope you liked it. Please comment down below any more quiz ideas or video ideas that you'd like to see around the channel. And yeah, I really hope you liked it. See you soon. Bye.